Welcome to Quick Tip Tuesday. Today I'm going to show you how to add tension to your Deluxe Mini Retractor. So before you begin, you want to make sure you have a needle nose pliers. So the first thing I'm going to do is just take down my retractor. And as you can see, it doesn't have enough tension to go back into the base. So I'm just going to take down the pole. And then I'm going to open the base. And I'm going to completely take out the roller of the retractor. So what you want to do, using the needle nose pliers, push in the one side of the retractor and then slowly lift the roller out. Now you want to completely lift it out. And I'm going to unroll my graphic. Now that I have my graphic completely unrolled, I'm going to insert the circle side of the roller back into the circle side of the base. The square side is the side we are going to be tensioning. So using your needle nose pliers, you're just going to clamp onto the square side of the roller. And I like to go completely horizontal with the roller. And then using your thumb and your pointer finger, you're going to begin to turn the roller. Now as you turn the roller, your banner should start to retract back into the base. As you're turning, you want to make sure that the other end stays in the base. Once the graphic has retracted into the base, you're going to do 3 more turns. Now after you've done the turns, you're going to push the roller in and slowly slide the graphic roller down into the base, and you want to try to line up the square end with the opening on the side of the base. So it might unwind just a tiny bit, that's why you did the 3 extra turns. And I'm going to test out my tension. My Deluxe Mini now has tension. As you can see, it's just that easy to add tension to your Deluxe Mini Retractor. I'll see you next time for another Quick Tip Tuesday.